Stadium Merdeka was the site where the former Declaration of Independence of the Federation of Malaya was made on August 31st, 1957, and then the proclamation of the birth of Malaysia on September 16, 1963. The stadium has undergone a few renovations in the 70s and 80s, as well as a comprehensive restoration process by PNB Merdeka Ventures, who acquired the site in 2006 and formed the Merdeka Heritage Trust to manage it. This restoration process was divided into two phases. The first phase focused on restoring the stadium's seating capacity to its original 20,000 seats, matching its appearance in 1957, while the second phase focused on the stadium's original aesthetics in greater detail. The much-anticipated reopening of Stadium Merdeka finally happened on August 17 in conjunction with the Sultan Selangor's Cup. The stadium was closed in 2016 to make way for the construction of the soon-to-be-opened Merdeka 118 Tower. To keep the stadium vibrant, recreational activities and art workshops will be available to the public. Some recreational events in the pipeline include running clinics, Zumba sessions, and yoga classes. As for art workshops, there will be art therapy sessions, and in conjunction with Merdeka, batik painting will be offered. There will also be heritage tours around the stadium, which will be hosted by representatives from the International Council on Monuments and Sites, Malaysia. Several talks and performances centered around the themes of local community building and the preservation of cultural heritage will be held. To promote local businesses, the stadium will also house community markets. Through these events, PNB Merdeka Ventures hopes the stadium will once again become a lively center of activity and generate foot traffic for surrounding cultural attractions.